So when you finish working on the assessments that I gave, this is what your interface looks like. You click on Count into Calculus, and then I want you to skip all these sections because everybody did very well with their pre-algebra assessment, so you don't have to worry about these topics. And go down to where it says solving linear equations. This is the second block. And then the third block is pre-calculus geometry and then calculus. We're going to do calculus problems, don't worry. But let's just go back for a second and let's go through these pretty quick here, starting with section 1.1. Click on the practice. If you ever need to watch a video for the lesson, the videos are here. You can click and watch. But let's say you click on the practice and resume. You can actually, let me take it slow here. So go down to the algebra section, so that's after the first 8 modules. You go down to these modules, click on solving linear equations, section 1.1, one-step equations, click on practice, and then resume. First question, c plus 7 is equal to 5. What is c? Okay, go ahead and type in your answer. Next, and so on and so forth. Let's just use this to practice using this website. So we'll do chapter 1. Just take as much time as you need going through. Well, our goal should be to try and finish as much of this as we can. So finish section 1.1, go on to the practice for section 1.2. And so we'll use this to practice. We're going to do more with linear equations with 2 variables. We're going to do some functions, linear functions, inequalities, systems of equations. So we're just going to work through some of these. Some of them will go through pretty quick. Let me know if you have any questions, but go ahead and do that for today. And for your math, this is what I would recommend for now. We're not going to worry about geometry and pre-calc. We're just going to touch on a few things, and then we'll spend most of our time. We'll get into calculus and college credit calculus preparation. Take care. Have a blessed day.